Welcome to DC Trading, where we help you grow your small account by mastering the markets. Today, we're diving into an exciting strategy for boom and crash indices, where we'll teach you how to scalp trades, avoid getting caught by spikes, and maximize your profits. If you're tired of losing money to sudden spikes, stay tuned as we break down a powerful strategy using exponential moving averages and the ADX indicator. Let's get started. To implement this strategy, you'll need to set up your charts with the following indicators. Main chart indicators. Add 2 exponential moving averages, EMAs. 10 EMA, black, and 20 EMA, lime. Indicator window setup. Add the ADX with a period of 1, style set to match your chart background, and add levels 90 and 10. On top of the ADX, add a simple moving average, SMA, with a period of 2, lime color. This is key for spotting overbought and oversold levels. Before we talk about how the strategy works, allow me to introduce our products and services. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Whether you're into derivative synthetic indices like step, jump, volatility, drift shift, boom, and crash, or you're looking to diversify with gold signals, we've got you covered. Our exclusive VIP signal service delivers at least 10 signals per day, complete with stop loss and take profit levels. Never miss an opportunity again with our highly accurate signals, including a separate VIP gold signals group for gold lovers. Want to learn how to trade like a pro? Join our mentorship program, where you can choose between personalized one-on-one lessons or our affordable pre-recorded video course. Gain the skills and knowledge to profit in today's market. Automate your trades with our powerful trading robots for boom, crash, and volatility indices. Visit MQL5 today to purchase our top-rated boom and crash spike detectors and robots. You can even download a demo version to test it before you buy. Looking for more precision? Check out our paid strategies with high accuracy, including our boom and crash spike strategy and scalping strategy. These are proven to help you consistently stay ahead in the markets. Interested in copy trading? Connect your MT5 account to ours, and every trade executed on my account will automatically be mirrored on yours. For just a $50 subscription fee, with a minimum equity of $100, you can target profits of up to $300. Let our experience work for you. Get in touch with me today on WhatsApp at +27 683 229 and start your journey to trading success. Don't miss out. Let's trade smart, let's trade profitable. How the strategy works. For crash, buy. First, wait for the lime 2 SMA to reach the oversold zone on the ADX, below level 10. Next, wait for the lime 2 SMA to cross back above level 10. Check the main chart, 10 EMA must cross above the 20 EMA. This confirms your entry. Open a buy trade and hold it for at least 5 candles. Place your stop loss below the previous spike. For boom, sell. Wait for the lime 2 SMA to reach the overbought zone, above level 90. Wait for the lime line to cross below level 90. Confirm on the main chart, 10 EMA crosses below the 20 EMA. Open a sell trade and hold it for 5 candles. Place your stop loss above the previous spike. Advantages of the strategy. This scalping strategy offers multiple trading opportunities per day, allowing you to grow your small account. It's reliable because it signals trades when the price reaches oversold or overbought levels, ensuring accurate entries. By trading against spikes, you'll learn how to avoid the traps of sudden market movements and stay ahead. If you're looking for a reliable scalping strategy to grow your account while minimizing risks, this strategy is for you. Remember, the key is to follow the rules and trade with discipline. For more strategies, mentorship, and trading tools, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook for daily updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and happy trading.